My name is Hayles, Member of Parliament candidate for the constituency of Western Hanover. First, let me say it's been a pleasure serving you as your Member of Parliament over the past 4 years. We have faced tremendous difficulty, whether it is the town of Lucy in terms of not having a decent hospital for you, the citizens, to go to daily, or whether it is the road network or the water situation which we face daily in the constituency. Let me say, being a Member of Parliament over the past 4 years hasn't been easy. You're faced with daily being an opposition, sitting on the opposition side in terms of being a Member of Parliament that represents the People's National Party and you, the people of Hanover. Within all this difficulty, we have been able to do some things. And the things that we have been able to do is to finally get a post office for the town of Green Island, develop some of the infrastructure throughout the constituency, Spring Mountain Light, Logwood Community Centre, Millers Drive, school to school on Millers Drive in terms of the basic school. In going forward over the next few years, hopefully, and it's my hope and it's my desire that the People's National Party will form government in terms of dealing with some of the problems to which we face in Hanover.